Children, welcome to the online classes. In our last class, we read about the people who help us. Who are the one who help us, and what is the importance of their help in our lives? We discussed like there are so many people in our lives who help us. When these people help us, we find our life very easy and comfortable. If these people are not there, it is very hard to live our life. So here there are so many people who help us in our daily lives. She is a helper. She is Beena. What is her work? She keeps our home in a order. Okay, if she does not come one day, then what will happen? Everything will be here and there. Everything will become a mess. Then we have a doctor. How the doctor help us? Doctor help us in treating whatever if we get fever, cold, whatever illness, if we got hurt, then doctors will cure us. They will give medicines, they will take care of us, then we will be cured. Then we have a farmer. What a farmer will do? A farmer will grow the crops. So this is Jerry. He is a farmer. He grows the crops in a farm. We can't have our own farm, and we cannot grow our own crops. Whatever we need, we can't grow. No, we will go and buy from the shops. We can't grow. So farmer is the one who will grow the crops for us. We will buy from them and eat. Then we have a Jamil. He is a policeman. What is the work of a policeman? He will keep our neighborhood safe from the thieves and the robbers and from any kind of crime. If there is a policeman, then everyone will have a safety that okay, policeman will look after us. There will not be any thefts in our neighborhood. Then we have a tailor. We can't buy a cloth and we cannot stitch our own clothes. No, we need a tailor to stitch our clothes, to wear our whatever we are wearing. We need a tailor to stitch that clothes. Then we have a plumber. If any pipes are leaking or any pipes are not working, then we need the help of a plumber. A plumber will repair the leaking pipes and taps. Then there is a teacher. If there is no teacher, who will teach you? Who will teach you what is good and what is bad, how to read and write, how to draw, everything. For everything you need a teacher. A teacher teaches in the school. Okay, then we have a postman. A postman, what is the duty of a postman? He brings the letters from, transfers the letters from one place to another place to send the messages. Then we have a barber. A barber will cut our hair. If there is no barber, then our hair will grow in any way. So he will style our hair and grooms us. Then we have a driver of a bus, car, van, anything. So what is the duty of a driver? A driver will take us from one place to another place. We can't drive our own car, own van and go from one place to another place. No, so we need a driver to take us from one place to another place and on time. Then there is a shopkeeper. What is a shop? What is the need of a shopkeeper? The shopkeeper will bring all the things from different places and keep it in one particular place. So we will buy so many different things from one particular shop. We need not go to different places or different people to buy different things. Okay, a shopkeeper will bring the different things from different places and keep it in one place so that it is easy for us to go and buy from one particular place. So these are all the people who will help us in different ways. And what is our duty? We should respect the people who will help us. Okay. Then we have a textbook exercises. Fill in the names of the people who help us from the given choices. So a dash grows crops for us. Who will grow the crops for us? A farmer or a cobbler? A farmer or a cobbler? a farmer. Put the tick mark here and write it here. Farmer, farmer. A farmer grows crops for us. A farmer grows crops for us. A dash repairs leaking taps and pipes. A dash repairs leaking pipes and taps. Who will repair? Plumber or a teacher? A plumber. A plumber repairs. Plumber. Plumber. A plumber repairs leaking taps and pipes. A plumber repairs leaking taps and pipes. Then turn the page. A dash cuts hair. Who will cut our hair? A doctor or a hairdresser? Hairdresser. Hair. Hair. Dresser. Hairdresser. A hairdresser cuts hair. A dash sells things. Postman. Shopkeeper. Who will sell the things? Shopkeeper. A shopkeeper. SHOP. Shop. KEEPER. Keeper. A shopkeeper sells things. A shopkeeper sells things. A dash brings letters for us. Policeman. Postman. Who will bring the letters for us? Postman. A postman brings letters for us. POST. Post. MAN. Man. A postman brings letters for us. Okay. Help the postman find the way to reach the post office. So, postman is starting from here. So, how he need to go? He no need to take the U. He can directly go straight. Then take left. Then come down. Then shortcut he can take from here and reach the post office. Okay. So in this way he can reach the post office, will reach to the postman will reach to the post office. Then we have active fish. Dress up as a policeman or a policewoman or a doctor, firefighter or anyone of your choice. Act out what they do. Describe the importance of a person you dressed up as in the lines given below. So what is the importance of these helpers? Whichever helper you are choosing, that one you need to write it here. This is for your homework. So that's all for today. We'll meet in our next class with another topic. Have a good day.